Hello, this is a short presentation of a very nice writing tool. It's a 4-in-1 pen. I've been using a pen like this since my child's days. My parents had one. Obviously, this is an older version, a modern version of it. That's not the one I used for drawing and writing things in my childhood. So it's a full metal body. It features 4 different writing colors and a tip you can use to navigate on your smartphone, tablet or touchscreen handheld device. It's pretty simple to use. You just pull on the color. It has a ball mechanism here. You just pull on the color you want to write with and it releases the corresponding tip of that color. So let's see. Very useful if you need to write with several colors, or maybe you want to highlight some sections of your classes or something. Replacing a tip is very easy. You just pull and hold on the corresponding color and pull the refill out, place a new refill, and that's it. Very durable mechanism. And as an added bonus, you can use it on your smartphone also if you don't wanna get the screen dirty or something. Also, pretty good price point. $10–15. If you see one of these in your local stores, you should buy it. It's a very good pen to have. Let me know if you have any comments or questions or just want to say hi. Use the comment section below. Thanks for watching.